Imagine a humanoid robot walking into your home, making direct eye contact and genuinely understanding your emotional state. In the summer of 2026, Chinese robotics pioneer UB Tech officially unveiled the groundbreaking UWorld U1 family. This is not a cold industrial machine but an ultra bionic robot featuring synthetic skin, real hair, and human like fingers, designed specifically as an ultra bionic companion. The U1 prioritizes emotional warmth over raw industrial labor, while conventional robotics focuses on lifting boxes. UBTech crafted the U1 for empathic engagement. Its natural voice, micro-facial expression, and fluid gaze create a truly surreal experience. UBTech introduced three core variants: the U1 Lite, the U1 Pro, and the flagship U1 Ultra. Pricing starts at 119,000 yuan for the Lite model. However, the flagship Ultra reaches up to 146,000 US dollars, matching a luxury sports automobile. The female configuration stands at 168 centimeters, weighing 35 kilograms. The male variant nears 183 centimeters and weighs 42 kilograms. Engineers crafted the synthetic skin with realistic pores, subtle blood vessels, and unique fingerprints. This design philosophy aims to eliminate the uncanny valley and build true psychological trust. Packed with 88 degrees of freedom, the U1 moves with remarkable bodily nuance. Instead of turning its entire torso, it subtly tilts its head and adjusts its shoulders movement. These lifelike micro movements generate like illusion of interacting with a living partner. Powered by an emotional language model, it detects over 20 emotional states with high accuracy. If you arrive home and say I am fine in a quiet voice, it detects the hidden fatigue. Rather than asking robotic questions, it plays soothing background music to help you relax. Equipped with long-term memory, the robot remembers your favorite coffee and important personal anniversaries. It keeps track of family members and your specific daily routines effortlessly. All personal data is locally encrypted to safeguard your private domestic life. Can it autonomously clean your entire home and cook meals right now? In reality, the first generation focuses heavily on emotional companionship rather than heavy housework. Over the next 5 to 10 years, this technology will revolutionize domestic living. UBTech is simultaneously testing its Valkyr S2 industrial robots at Airbus manufacturing plants. When these platforms merge, the UWin will handle laundry and prepare basic morning breakfasts. Consumers do not need fancy acrobatics. They need a machine that solves 10 tedious chores. It will also serve as a vital assistant for elderly care and medication tracking. In commercial settings like hotels and airports, it will offer multilingual concierge support While Tesla focuses on mass industrial scaling, UBTech is betting on human-centric design as manufacturing costs decline. Every modern household could eventually afford one. New careers will emerge, including robot personality designers and synthetic skin technicians. We are entering an unprecedented era of embodied artificial intelligence. Would you welcome an ultra bionic companion into your own living room? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. In our next episode, we will uncover Tesla Optimus factory secrets to stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to AI Revolution, hit the bell notification and share this video. Join the frontier of AI Revolution.